Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Marbz, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make this simple and delicious snack. So stay tuned. So here I prepared my wok, and I don't have a steamer or anything like that, so I just kind of improvised. I used a rack for another pot, but anyway, so I set this up to steam, and as you can see, it's ready to go. I poured in my shrimp. I did not peel. I just cut through the middle as like a butterfly shape, and I just let them sit in there for about 8 minutes or so. And yeah, while that's going, I got my butter over here, getting ready to melt, and I'll throw in all that good stuff. And we're gonna check up on our shrimp. They look like they're about to be ready. If not, if you want to leave them in a little longer, but I like them like this. I don't want to overcook them. So this is what I'm going to be seasoning my butter with, which is just Italian seasoning, but you can use literally anything you want. I just chose to use this because I wanted to do something different. So I did some garlic powder, and you can do all natural ingredients as well. It was easier for me because this was a quick snack, like I was doing things around the house, so I just wanted to snack on something real quick, or along the way. But yeah, I added some more freshly ground pepper, and I love me some black pepper. And look how good that butter looks. Also some lime juice, just half a lime because I'll be adding more lime later on for the dip. And yep, pretty much all ready to go. As you can see, this was a super fast preparation. There's really no science back into this, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really short. It is really short, actually. It's a 2-minute video, so I hope you guys enjoyed how fast this was. And like I said, it's simple, but it's delicious. And right here, I'm trying it with some sriracha. Sorry, not sriracha. Why did I think it was sriracha? This is actually Valentina hot sauce. And yeah, so stay tuned for some more shrimp recipes because I will be posting a lot more shrimp recipes in the near future. I'm already working on them. So thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing to everybody that has recently as well. See you guys later.